guess we should start it.
Oh, you know what's the best quote in my...
Okay. Alright, y'all, we made it to the gym. Now we're gonna do chug bug action. Dude. She didn't give me my cookies.
Go up there, get your cookie, tubby.
It's harder than the huds I get with. Oh, eat. You're throwing up first. I gotta go get my cookies. Hurry up. Go get your cookies. No, eat it, and then we're going. Made to order meal number 2. Got anything you want to say, baby?
This
How do you burp, bro? Give everyone a little 1, 2. How you doing?
No, stop. No more.
I already feel it in my stomach, boys. Oh, I don't feel good. Before the gym.
We'll go to Publix actually.
Why? The huzz, baby.
I can't even look at it.
Discriminate, baby. We like the dark chocolate. No. No, I got it. Oh my god.
About to throw up.
Oh my gosh, my hands are so greasy. I have grease all over.
Oh my
I need to wash my
goodness.
hands.
I need a shit. Right now.
Oh boy. Slick, bro. Come help us, bro. Dude, no, help us.
Oh my gosh, that piece is so big.
Bro, you have a lot left, I'm not gonna lie. You might be cooked, bro. You get you in that crust, buddy.
You need water?
No, I'm locked.
Oh wait, there we go, napkins. Need them. How you doing? I think
Cheers, blueberry. How you doing? Ugh. Tastes like medicine.
Alright, run.